Today we're showing you how we made this coffee cart. It's made with wood and copper pipe, and it's pretty easy. I'll put a list of materials in our blog post and in the description below. First, you're going to measure 1 inch from each corner and put a little X where the two meet. And then this is where we're going to drill a hole big enough for your copper pipe to fit into. So just drill all the way through each corner on each piece. Next, you'll want to attach the male and female copper adapter pieces, and they just screw on. And just screw it as tight as you can. And then you're going to attach it to the end of copper pipe. Next, you're going to measure. I measured to 15 inches for one of the shelves, and I think I did 12 inches for the other one, but you can make your shelves as tall or as short as you want. And then once you have it measured, you're just going to use your copper pipe cutting tool and put it right on the mark and just twist it around until it pops off. Next, I'm attaching these copper elbows to pieces for the top, kind of like it would have a handle. And you can use glue to secure all of these pieces, but for right now, I'm just assembling it without it. But you'll want to add it later for security. I'm just putting the shorter copper strips through the top of the shelf and then attaching the longer strips to the bottom. And for the very top, I have these shorter pieces that go through and attach to the bottom. Now I'm just attaching strips of 1x2 around all of the edges to make it look more finished and also to have a lip on the edge. Once I've added the wood around all the edges of the bottom piece, I'm actually going to add another layer of wood. Then I'm just attaching it with a couple screws on each end. Now you want to drill through the wood we just added on the bottom and go until you're about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. It will actually make a little hole through the bottom of the wood, but that's okay as long as it doesn't go all the way through. And then I'm just attaching the wheels to the bottom, one in each corner, and I'm using 4 screws on each wheel. Next, I'm just finishing the top shelves off with the 1x2 edging. The last thing you'll want to do is attach the top handle pieces that have the elbows on the sides, and then you're done. And don't forget to go back through and secure all the connections with glue.